Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple Easter egg like this in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Then I'll go to layer, no solid, and I'll choose this color, take this number, then OK, and I'll recompose it and make sure that you are move all attributes into the new composition. And okay, medium orange, let me name it egg. Okay, so now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type CC sphere, double click or drag and drop. And also I'll go again to effects and presets and I'll type bezier warp, and I'll go to this or those points on top and I'll move this one like this, the other one to make egg shape like this. Okay, this is very good. So now I'll go to CC sphere, open light, and I'll change light height to, let me increase it to 65, and also I'll change duration to minus 45 like this. Okay, yeah, this is good. Okay, so now double click to go to my solid and I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type cell pattern like this, and I'll change bubbles to below. Okay, then I'll go to effect, color correction, and tint, change the black colors to something like brown. Okay, and also the white colors, H maybe 5, and also B, I'll change it to 65, and this one is, I'll change it to 55. Yeah, this color. Okay, and this is the, okay, then it's okay. Then I'll go to my composition and see. Now I'll go to effects and presets again and I'll type CC glass, double click or drag and drop and see, up, up again like this. Then I'll go to surface and softness, I'll decrease it something like, okay. So now let me broke this egg, so make sure that you are active switches and mode, and I'll close this right now. Then I'll go to tools, pin tool, and I'll add a mask like this. Okay, now I'll open it again and see. This is our egg. Also, if you want to add a texture, you can add a texture, something like this texture. texture and yeah, drag and drop. This is crease it like this, and I'll change normal to overlay and see. Well, see. Also, let me add another texture like this. Change it also this and change it to soft, something like this. You can add any texture. Okay, this is also we can add background on this. Then I'll go to effect and generate generate and gradient ramp. I'll change linear ramp to radial and put this point into the middle. Change this color to white and change it like any color you want. Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe,